Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstrader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading at a level of $3.7530. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, a U pattern is forming. After that there is a fall, and chances are very high that if it sustains above this level, it can move above a level of 3.78, and from there a further upside we can see towards 3.8. Okay, this pattern is supporting an uptrend. Chances will be very high it can move above a level of $3.85, and from there a further upside we can see towards 3 point, and as soon as the price started going above this level, probability of going above a level of 3.99 we can see. So we can see the price can go further high. Okay, but if it started falling below this particular level of 3.69, there is a chances that it can move further down towards 3.6 and then below a level of 3.57, and then there will be a zone breakout. So we can see the price can fall further down and it will fall below a level of 3.37, and this can move below this particular level. So chances are high it will go further low. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we have seen, the price of natural gas is quite volatile, but now it is creating a narrow pattern. If you look at closely, a narrow pattern is trying to form. So there is a chances that if the price goes above a level of 3.7, we can see there can be an upside. Okay, if you look at, see, this is a bigger pattern forming this particular level. Okay, in this particular level you will see a bigger pattern is forming in this zone. So chances are very high that if the price goes above this particular level and break this particular trend of 3.9, we can see there can be a further upside and it can move above a level of $4, and then a further upside we can see. But if it started falling below this level 3.6, and if it started falling below this particular level and goes below a level of 3.3, chances are high it can touch a level of $3 and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, I have clearly explained you that dollar index and natural gas are inversely related with each other. So when dollar index started going high, we see the natural gas price comes down, and vice versa. Okay, so see, in that case what you have to do, see, sometime they both moves in same direction. So whenever you start to trade, put your SL, so it will save the capital, and trail your SL as soon as you comes in. Now, if the price sustain above this level, probability is high it will move towards a level of 99.9, and from there a further upside we can see above a level of 100. So this can touch a level of 101. As soon as the price going above this level, probability of touching 101.8 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout. So chances of crossing 102 will be there, and then a probability of touching 102.9 we can see, and then a further upside we can see towards 103.3. But if the price started falling below this level, chance of touching 98.8 we can see, and then from there a level of 98.6, and chances of very high that if the price fall below this level, it will move below a level of 97.8. It started going above a level of 103, chances are high it can go further upside. But if it started falling below a level of 97.9, well, we can see below a level of around 97, and then a further fall, because there will be a zone breakout after a very long time. So chances will be high it can touch a level of around 96.9 to a level of around $94.5 after crossing this particular level. Okay, now coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain above this level, what we can see, suppose if it started going above this level, probability of going towards 3.79 we can see, and if it started going above this level, probability of touching 3.181. Okay, see, there is this pattern is supporting this trend, so chances are high it can go further upside, and yes, there is a probability of going further high. Then if it started going on 3.9, probability of going after 3.86, it can cross a level of 3.86, because this level is already tested. So chances are high it can touch a level of 3.96, and from there it will move above a level of $3.998. Okay, and suppose if the price moving above that particular level, chance of going towards 4.1 we can see, and from there a level of 4.19. Okay, and then further high. But if the price didn't sustain this level, it can come down again towards its next support of 3.73, and from there a next support coming at a level of 3.7. Suppose if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 3.61 we can see, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 3.56, and this level is already tested, so chances are high the price will fall further down and it will touch a level of $3.48. And if the price falling below this level, chance of touching 3.3 we can see, and there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further down towards $3.322. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $3. Okay, this is the zone. If it started falling below this level, a further fall we can see, so it will not fall so much on the next 2 days. Okay, but probability is high, we can see good volatility also. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.